Hello, here's the signage and visual effects from my Powerline that I'm building outside. We have 3 different size Powerline towers, different voltage, different wattage, over 500 kV, 9.5 watts. There's that tower model I made a few months ago. 3 different size transformers. That's your bell for climbing the pole. Voltage chart. That's my voltage identification for my Powerline. I'm gonna do the generators on there, what self-excite, all those kind of generators. Single phase, 3-phase connections, open delta. My little light switch right here to show electron flow with the pool table balls and pipe. It's got my methane sign, my voltage signs. So my voltage chart can show all the Powerline voltages. Extra wire to make more of those. I'll tell you what, these weren't on the building up right the other day and they raided a dumpster. It had a bunch of wire and stuff in it. I asked the guy, I was like, hey, this. He's like, hey, go ahead. So I brought home the wire and some wood. So we have 3 different size transformers. And you can see where this is going. Plus I have to make the hydro sign for the one power plant out there. So anyway, there is my signage for my Powerline.